Construction projects might be for most people just the execution of the set of calculations and plans of the design using construction methods. But many types of resources are used: labor, materials, tools, equipments, and supplies, assigned to many activities that are interrelated by different relationships. So a lot of conflict can be generated and hence leaving your project over budget and behind schedule. Studies have shown that most projects are 70 to 80% over budget, and for bigger scale 80 to 90%. So in order to solve the aforementioned problem, the project needs to be carefully monitored and controlled. Hey, Antoine here. I hope this finds you well. This video will cover earned value management, how it analyzes financial and time-related data, in addition to showing you how you can supplement your project management work with softwares. EVM was developed for project monitoring and control by US Department of Defense in the 1960s. But it's in the 90s when it was considerably used in the private sector. Imagine before EVM, there were no clear performance reports for projects, neither a work breakdown structure, baselines, or cost allocations. Now, before going through the earned value analysis, you should understand those terms: earned value or budgeted cost of work performed, planned value or budgeted cost of work scheduled, and actual cost or actual cost of work performed. PV is the budgeted cost assigned to complete the scheduled activity during the required period. So it's the relationship between the budgeted cost and the proportion of time. Earned value is the budgeted cost of work that has actually been performed and carrying out a scheduled activity during the required period. So it's the relationship between the budgeted cost and the percentage of work performed. The actual cost is of course the one recorded, the one you already paid for. There's also BAC, or the total budgeted cost at completion, the TAC, original duration of estimated duration of the project. As a first step in earned value analysis, we need to get cost variance, schedule variance, cost performance index, and schedule performance index. Now, as an easier way to recognize them, when you hear variance, just insert minus. When you hear index, divide. And since it's earned value analysis, the first term should always be the earned value. And then when you hear about cost, the second term is the actual cost. And when you hear about schedule, the second term should be PV. Then when CV is positive, then you are under budget. When it's 0, you are on budget. When it's negative, you are over budget. Now for CPI, when it's over 1, you are under budget, equal to 1 on budget, and less than 1, you are over budget. And for schedule related formulas or expressions, if SV is positive, you are ahead schedule. If it's equal 0, you are on schedule. If it's less than 0, then you are behind schedule. Same for SPI, if you are over 1, you are ahead schedule, equal to 1 on schedule, and less than 1, you are behind schedule. And now it's getting more interesting. We have the cost forecasts. The estimate at completion cost, the estimate to complete cost, and the variance at completion. EAC can be considered like the new BAC, how much the project will cost while we are acquiring more and more data. ETC is how much more money is needed to complete the project. It can be very useful for the owner in order to see if they can continue the project financially, or they might need serious changes, or more money needs to be raised, or other solutions. Also for big companies, the financial department might benefit for this, for them to conduct the future cash flow analysis. Now a very interesting discussion that would show how information and research always lead to new and better understandings of most things we learn in life. If you watched my previous video, at the minute 5:25, I included a note at the right of EFT. So what is EFT? In the traditional EVM, that is rarely used right now, because as you can see, it can only be reliable when the project is behind schedule. And what is the new term under it? ED, or estimated duration. Well, as you can see from the formula, it's a bit similar, but right now the SPI is in terms of time and not in terms of cost. Pay attention because before it was only in terms of cost. So now in order to get it, we would need to assign new terms in construction company. And thankfully now you can know the project and the previous exercise when it is expected to be finished. EFT will be kept for now since some offices like to use it when its conditions are met. So construction company would have all what's needed and takes into consideration your preferences. As you can see, there are a lot more details to be discussed and taught in project management and EVM, whether traditional or new. So if you want more content, just contact me. Many people might think that all this is time consuming, but other than the fact that having this knowledge is crucial for the project manager or contractor, I already demonstrated that with construction companion, one click is standing between you and all this analysis, in addition to many other data and charts that would keep your project under control. So I hope this video, in addition to the previous one, gave you a strong grasp to EVM, whether you want to apply them for future projects or you need them for your exams, to obtain a professional certification or a university degree, or maybe if you are just curious. There is a lot of knowledge in the world and you can never be overeducated. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for future videos.